thanks for coming to check out today's video. I got a wig for you guys from Domiso, so thank you so much, Domiso, for sending over this hair. Now, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you turn on your notifications, and click that like to help me get in this crazy YouTube algorithm. But here is the wig. Let's check her out. It comes in a nice bubble wrap package. Love that for us because our box is nice and still in great condition after being shipped. So this hair is from Domiso. Make sure you guys check the description box down below for this hair and all the products I use to style it. So it looks like we got a U-part wig. Good thing my hair is pressed out. Got a couple other things in the package. Can always use an edge brush. Some lashes. They're a little bit much for me, but a elastic band and a nice little edge holders, you know, a lace melt band holder, and a wig cap. But this is a U-part wig, so I doubt we'll be using a wig cap for this one. Yep, we got her in 22 inches, and this is their Yaki straight, which I love. This texture always blends with my hair so nicely. It looks like an invisible V part, which is nice. No tracks at the top to hide, so you can get this nice and close without having too much of your own hair out. Love this. This would be my first time trying one with this invisible, because it looks like they kind of fold the track over so it's completely invisible. Love that. Okay, and it looks, oh, and we got a drawstring. Come on, drawstring. Yes, what a genius concept. Love the idea of this drawstring. Okay, Domiso coming out with the innovation. Okay, so we got a drawstring in the back, and we have a comb in the back, and we have our adjustable strap, our elastic band, excuse me, with silicone, so it will stay in place really nicely. We have two small combs at the ear tab, which is great. Keep your wig stable and in place. And then we have 4 combs at the top for the parting space. The construction on this wig is very impressive. You have ear tabs, excuse me, not ear tabs, ear cutouts, which this wig should be very, very comfortable. I feel like this is very nicely designed. I'm not even talking about the hair at this point. I mean, the hair is beautiful. It has that nice black girl pressed out texture, which I absolutely love because it blends with my hair so nicely. It's so nice and long. It looks like it's given more than 22 inches, but it already has some pretty little layers in it. I like this. I haven't put it on yet, but thus far, I'm very impressed with the construction of this wig. And this drawstring is something new for me. Let me know if you guys have seen this before. I haven't seen this. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair together and just leave a V section out. And enough to cover here. Yeah, I think that works. I think that works. Ooh, that was fast. That was easy. Look how easy we did that. That was so easy. Wow. I think that worked out well. Okay. All right. So now we just need to style the wig and blend my hair, flat iron my hair and style the wig. So I need to go grab my flat irons. They're upstairs in my bathroom, and my curler, because I think we're gonna do some curls. And yeah, this is about to be cute. I'm excited. All right, so we are back. We got our curls in, we got our makeup done. If you guys are curious about the makeup that I used for this look, it's all available in my Amazon store, and I will have it linked down below. But yes, let's go ahead and finger comb these. Wow. Very beautiful. Okay, you can see the drawstring, so remember to tuck your drawstring in so you can't see it. Look how much the layers make a difference. Like, the layers really make the look. And these you can find on Amazon. Love these to feather your look out. It makes your layers not look so choppy. I got a set of like 3 of these for like $5 on Amazon. I'll link that below as well. And the hairspray is from Amazon as well. Highly recommend that hairspray. I've been using it for at least 5-6 years now, and I love it. What do we think? Beautiful? I think so. Very effortless style. The texture of the hair is what I love. It blends with my hair absolutely seamlessly. If I had colored it black, it would blend perfectly. Like, you wouldn't be able to see my hair at all. The layers help, so make sure you add layers. My hair is cut into a short bob, so I always have to add layers or else my hair will be sticking out like a sore thumb. But look at what she's giving. Natural, effortless, your hair, sew-in maybe. It's definitely not giving V-part wig. Like, the density is very natural, which gives me the vibe of sew-in as well. If I had left some of my edges out, edges would be giving right now. And even without my edges out, if you don't have edges or you're struggling with edges, like, baby, she still serves even without that. Just add your layers and you're good. You're good. I'm wearing my workout set. If you guys like this workout set, this is from, I think this one is from Shein. This one is from Shein, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys like this one, I will put a link down below where you can grab this one. It's very comfortable. It has a lot of support and a lot of good, you know, compression and padding for when you're working out. I do go to the gym. So yeah, I'm gonna hit the gym after this. It's about to be a full glam in the gym. Red lip popping, all of that. But yeah, if you guys have questions, comment it down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and you're checking out my lives. My lives are really going strong. I've been doing them twice a week now in the evening time. My lives start around 9 o'clock. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications for when I go live so we can really, you know, get more intimate. We chit chat, we talk about stuff, and it's a fun, chill situation, okay? Thank you so much, Domiso, for sending over this hair, and I'll see you guys in the next one.